The Iraq War was a continuation of the 9/11. It seems like the war has been going on forever, but it started in 2003 with the bombing of Baghdad. We want to focus on America's real intentions based on Naomi Klein's document and George Bush's speech from 2003 to get 2 points of views. Naomi Klein thinks that the doctrine of the neoliberalism has come to dominate the world by using such things as war, terrorism, etc. She means that neoliberal is disaster capitalism, which destroys many things such as livelihoods, countries, and many more, which ain't good for the world and its people, and it will make the world a bad place. She also means that the destruction and reconstruction of Iraq is a proof that neoliberalism is being pushed to its limit, and it is a force for them that creates the disaster required to shock subjects into realizing to corporations their wealth, labor, and much more.
Opposed to Naomi Klein, George Bush claims in his speech from 2003 that America's intention is to free the people of Iraq and to defend the world from danger. America is not the enemy. America faced the enemy. The Iraqi troops, which Saddam Hussein has places in civilian areas. Bush wants the Americans and all the world to know that coalition's forces will make every effort to spare innocent civilians from harm. George Bush claims that America have no ambitions in Iraq except to remove and trade and restore control of that country to its own people.